In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list text in Canva in just 5 minutes. Canva is an incredible tool for crafting visually engaging designs, whether you're making posters, presentations, and social media graphics, or even working on professional portfolios. One thing you might find useful when working with text, especially if you're keen on organizing information, is learning how to list your text effectively. So let's dive into the process. First, fire up Canva and get into the design project you're currently editing. If you're just starting, go ahead and create a new design by selecting the kind of template you need, whether it's an Instagram post, a flyer, or a resume. Now, within your design, you'll see various elements you can add, including text boxes, which is where we're going to focus today. Find the text that you want to convert into a list. If you haven't inserted the text yet, you can easily do this by clicking on the text tab on the side panel. Choose between a heading, subheading, or body text to fit your design. Once you have your text on the canvas, it's time to make it into a list, which helps in organizing content and making it more structured and digestible to your audience. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar. You should notice the text formatting options there. These are tools for adjusting fonts, sizes, alignments, and more. Look closely, and among these options you'll find a small icon that resembles a list, commonly illustrated with horizontal lines and bullet points or numbers on the left side. This is the list icon, a crucial tool for our task today. Before clicking the list icon, ensure that the text box you'd like to format into a list is selected. A quick click on your desired text will do the trick. You'll know it's selected when there's a blue box surrounding it. Once your text is selected, go ahead and click on that list icon. Instantly, your text will transform into a clean, clear list format. This will make your information appear much more organized, and it immediately grabs attention. Experiment with the settings offered by Canva to see what works best with your design's aesthetic. You can switch between a bulleted list and a numbered list depending on the arrangement that best suits your content's purpose. Whether you're creating a simple to-do list or outlining key concepts in a presentation, adjust the font style and size to ensure readability and visual appeal. And there you have it, your text is now neatly formatted as a list in Canva, making your design more structured and professional. Be sure to save your work frequently, and especially once you're satisfied with your formatted text. Canva automatically saves your progress, so no worries if you need to step away. Happy designing, and remember that with a bit of creativity, Canva can make your projects shine even brighter.